Bholu was a curious and kind-hearted young boy living in a peaceful village. One day, while cleaning his grandfather's old chest, he discovered a strange, glowing book filled with mysterious symbols. As he opened it, a magical portal appeared and pulled him and his loyal talking parrot, Totu, into a colorful, fantastical world full of floating islands, talking trees, and flying turtles. There, a wise old tree revealed that their magical world was in danger. The Shadow Witch wanted to steal the book and erase every story ever written. Only the true guardian of the book could stop her, and that guardian was Bholu. With Totu by his side, Bholu met the eccentric Professor Gumo, who gave him a magical map and a riddle to find 3 hidden gems, one in the Forest of Fire, one beneath the frozen waterfalls, and one deep inside the cave of the sleeping dragon. Bholu bravely solved riddles, dodged traps, crossed lava on a giant squirrel, and narrowly escaped freezing Stormsaw, while Totu provided comic relief and clever insights. After collecting all 3 gems, Bholu was tricked by an old woman who turned out to be the Shadow Witch in disguise. As she tried to steal the gems, Totu warned Bholu just in time. Using the magic book and his pure heart, Bholu summoned a powerful light that trapped the witch inside an enchanted mirror forever. The magical world celebrated Bholu's courage and honesty, and a new portal opened to send him and Totu back home. As they returned, the book glowed brighter than ever, whispering promises of more adventures to come. Bholu smiled and said, "Every page holds a new adventure," as he placed the book safely on his shelf, ready for the next magical journey.